Hi ninth graders, I hope that you're doing well. So today we're moving on to task 3 of Criterion B, in which you are going to justify your design choice. So you should have finished all of your sketches and or your digital representations of your design ideas on Monday. You should be done with that. And I let you know that it was a good idea to, if you were already finished, to share your ideas with your chosen teacher so that they could give you some feedback on them. But what you're going to be doing today is getting feedback from your chosen teacher on your design ideas that you've come up with, and you're going to be assessing your design ideas against the success criteria that you created in task 1, so against your design specifications from task 1 of Criterion B. So how you're going to do that today is the first thing you're going to do, like I said, is email your teacher. So you need to share your design ideas with the teacher that you chose to work with for the unit. You should ask them for their opinion on your design ideas and which design they think would be the most helpful or useful to them. You should be kind and really considerate in your email when sharing those ideas and give the teacher time to respond. We're having, most of the MYP teachers and DP teachers are doing a lot of creating right now. So we're doing our best to be involved and to be responsive, but just be kind and considerate in the email and give them time to respond. It's okay if they don't respond today, because you can still work on the rest of the task, but ask that they get back to you before Friday. If you're running into any problems or if they can't get back to you in time or something's going wrong with that, please let me know as soon as possible so I can help you out or give you an extension. Whatever you're going to need, just let me know. So that's the first thing you're doing, is you're sharing your design ideas and you're asking for feedback in a respectful and considerate way from your teacher that you are trying to help with your designs. And while you wait for your feedback, you can complete the rest of your assessment of your own designs. Like I said, you're going to be using the design specification that you came up with for task 1 of Criterion B. So if we go back out and look at our work here, we can find that we created some design specifications. Remember, you used this template and you came up with specifications for aesthetic, customer, function, and material. So we're going to be working with those 4 categories again today. And what you're going to do is open up the assignment, this template that we have. It's right here. We open up this template here, 9 justifying design choices, open that one up. You'll be able to see the table that you're going to use to evaluate your design ideas. This will be your task 3. You will assess how well your design meets the requirements that you made for each of these categories. So if we look back, there were the 4 categories: aesthetics, customer, function, material. We're looking back at those now for this assignment, and you are going to be rating how well each design idea, 1, 2, and 3, meet each of those. So maybe you came up with 2 different requirements for the function, and your first design only meets 1 of them. Maybe it's a 2 out of 5 or a 3 out of 5. Maybe that's the score you give it. So just use your best judgment and rate your own designs, critically assess them against the design specification that you made. So we're not going off each individual specification, so you're not going off each individual thing, but just in general the categories. You're going to rate your design against those. And then after that, you'll total up the score and use those scores to help you write a justification for why you're choosing the design that you do choose. Maybe the design that your teacher prefers is different from the one that rates the highest for you. That's okay. You just have to use that information in your justification that you're writing. When you write your justification, you should be answering things like, how exactly does it meet these specifications? This is where you get into specifics. So here you're just putting numbers, but you're explaining those numbers in this justification. It only scored a 2 out of 5 on aesthetics because of this. This one is the highest rated for materials because of this. So that's when you'll be explaining each of those details from here. So that's when you'll be doing it in your written justification. Your justification should mention, like I said, or should describe the specifics that you've rated in this table, that you've assessed in this table, and the feedback from your teacher. So what you can complete today, even if your teacher doesn't respond to your email, is this table and a justification of your own assessment. You will add in your teacher's assessment later if they haven't responded quickly or they weren't able to get back to you. But if they are able to get back to you quickly or you already emailed them on Monday, great. You can go ahead and use that information from that email today in your justification. So your justification should include examples from your own assessment and feedback from your chosen teacher. Today, just like the other days we've been working, you're going to be working in your design journal for Criterion B, which you can find in the templates here, but you should have already made that. That was the first instruction that I gave you. You should have already made your template. So you're working in task 3. You'll copy and paste that table over into it, and then you'll write your justification there as well. So that's what you're doing for task 3. To complete today's assignment, you're going to submit evidence of that using this document here. Remember, so you don't lose access to your design journal, you'll take a screenshot of your finished table, maybe your written justification or what you're able to finish today, and you'll put it right here. And then you'll submit that, and that counts as your assignment for today. If you have any questions, please comment or shoot me an email, and I'll be happy to help you as much as I can. Have a great day, and I will talk to you guys on Friday. Bye.